Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons. In this video, we see a mini proving size doesn't matter, a raging driver discovering reverse gear, and a van driver shaking a cyclist. These are when angry drivers lose their cool. An angry van driver crowds a cyclist with a close overtake, reminding everyone that road rage and two wheels never mix well.
Now.
What's your problem?
What is your
What's
problem?
your problem?
Tell me.
What are you on about? What you want?
You nearly got me.
I nearly what?
You nearly hit me.
Well, slow down your bike properly.
I am.
Yeah, you're a rule on yourselves, you lot. You're a bunch of
I am me. I'm not anybody else.
sorted.
Get that finger away from me.
And what else? What? What else? You what?
Are you going to hit me? Are you threatening me?
Are you threatening me? You're the one that you threaten me, pal. Get on your face.
Yeah, you big fancy.
What are you on about? You slap.
Cutting a corner wasn't the real issue, but chasing a cyclist a mile just to shout, "Don't speak to me like that," turned petty into a public performance.
You cut the corner a bit. You what? You're putting other people in danger. Drive properly. GK03ZTM. See ya! It's all on camera.
I don't care, don't give a toss if it's on camera or not. You talk to me like that again and I'll wrap that right straight up your nose. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is it clear? Otherwise I'll rip that helmet off your head. Is it clear? Is it clear? You call whoever you like. You're the one who started this, mate. You tell me you've nothing to do with you. Nothing to do with you. I can't
turning right.
But you weren't turning right. You were sat on the corner. You shut your mouth away. I'm going to knock you out in a minute, boy. There's my number. Send
Got it all on camera.
Handlebar taps, car lunges, and a D-lock showdown, reminding us why some drivers end up with cautions and expired MOTs. Hit subscribe if you love chaos served in 2 wheels and 4.
No. You're on camera, so. You pulled out in front of me. It's all on camera.
I'm not a idiot.
Get back. Get back.
You idiot.
Get back.
You're right. You're
No, you pulled out in front of me.
I kept right over to the right-hand side. If you notice, I kept over to the right-hand side.
You still pulled out in front of me. You should have let me go past.
Fucking going. You deliberately went in.
No, I was going at a standard speed.
I haven't even had a look yet to see if you...
No, I tapped.
Did it with your hand or...
I tapped it with my hand. If I'm so close, if I'm so close to you that I can touch you, you're too f***ing close.
I kept over to the right-hand side and you speeded up to come alongside me.
Watch the video on YouTube later, mate. Watch the video on YouTube later.
A driver tailgated a motorcycle, rear-ended it after getting flipped off, and then swore he'd left a whole meter of space.
You just hit me.
I have 1 meter distance.
You
I
just
have
hit
1
me.
meter.
Why'd you just hit me?
I have 1 meter distance. I was just checking one camera.
When you put the finger on us, you
Just checking one
You were
camera.
this close to me. You can't be that close. You
I
gotta be
have
further
1
away.
meter. I have 1 meter distance.
Hey, pull over, man. I want your insurance information. Well, I have no damage to my bike. Your car's got a little bit of damage. You want to come look? See if it's okay?
because you put
I have 1 meter distance.
But you hit me.
finger on us.
Yes, because you're so close. You were this close.
Going on
We're
now.
not
Are you okay? Your car's okay? Yeah, okay, whatever.
Two drivers tried to outdo each other with sudden stops right in front of a semi, forgetting the highway isn't their personal ego arena.
Yeah, go on.
A driver cuts too close past a motorcyclist, then flips out when the rider dares to ask why.
Everybody's just trying to cheat traffic.
Whistleblowers revealed that USPS is responsible for tampering. Well, then speed up and go!
Speed up then! Don't run into me! Really?
Look, please. Look, right there.
Yeah, okay, get up.
We have you on camera!
You're on camera, by the way.
Tailgating turned into a fender bender when the driver rear-ended someone after getting flipped off.
You almost ran me off over there.
Don't ever look at me like that. Don't tell what.
You almost ran me over there.
Hey, don't talk to me like that.
Yeah.
A driver spent miles racing, slowing, and trying to intimidate, only to melt down when they couldn't keep up off the exit.
All right, what's going on?
What the problem?
Why do you keep pulling in front of me and slowing down? You did it like 5 times.
My car's on cruise control at 80.
Slowing
You
down.
brake checked me. You want my 40 down here, bro?
Didn't brake check you. If I brake checked you, would have crashed. Look at the size of your brakes.
Hey, I
Look
have you on.
at, look at your brakes. Your brakes are like this big. If I brake checked you, we would have crashed.
On this phone. It, dummy.
Good.
Want to get shot? Do it again. You're lucky my 4-year-old's not with me. You would have been shot. All right? Yeah,
You brake check people and then murder them. I'm sure daily.
Yeah,
I'm sure you do that all the time.
Brake check you. My car's on cruise control. Shut the fuck up, like you know with your cool ass Corvette, like you're so cool.
Yes,
right?
that's correct.
That makes you cool. That makes you allowed to brake check me.
I didn't brake check you.
I have it on video. The whole thing.
I'm glad you do. You've got proof I didn't do shit.
Your ass. Pull over. Do it. You want to act tough?
I'm sure, man. You people daily. I'm sure you do. I'm sure you do it. Yeah, man.